How to fix laptop volume too low on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your laptop volume too low on your Windows 10 or 11, then to fix this, you just need to simply go with the speaker icon, which is here on the bottom right, and simply check the volume slider. Now, if you set it too low, then make sure to just slide it way up until you get a higher volume. And this is super simple, right? But if your slider is already way up but the volume is too low, let's just do one more thing. You need to click on it or just go with the Windows button and select the settings icon and go with system, which is on the left side, and scroll down until you find the troubleshoot option and go with other troubleshooters, and you need to go with run, which is under the audio option. Just go with run, which is on the right side. Now Windows will try to help you with this issue and troubleshoot it for you as soon as possible. Then you can check if the problem still persists. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.